Behind the scenes.
Ooh, this is one that obviously we haven't shot yet because you would have probably seen it on YouTube. But I think we need to do one. This is when you're doing a big event that's coming up and you want to show them a little bit, like you setting up stuff. Even if you're not setting up, this is where you pretend to do it. I do that a lot, right, Joshua? When we're cooking together. If you're not watching, if you don't watch us on YouTube yet, we have our own little channel going on. But in the channel, I always pretend like I'm cooking, or even on my Instagram, if you're not following me, the room is Marcelle. When I'm doing, I take pictures of Jachelle's cooking, like, oh, look what I made. Or I'll be in the stove, like, oh, flipping stuff.
Messing the pot up.
No, it's perception. It looks like I'm cooking. So the behind the scenes video will show that it was really Jachelle doing it, but I'm taking credit. So this is what you want to do. You want to show them up and coming content. You can do this if you have a new blog article coming out. If you've been watching my other videos when I talk about how to do email marketing, and I tell you guys need to have a weekly market or market update email that goes out to your clients. This is where you show them behind the scenes of you crafting it, you writing, you doing research. Just show them some cool content that's coming out. Like if you have a new ebook coming out or something like that, you want to show them behind the scenes content because they love this. This makes them feel special and makes them feel like a family. Like, wow, Malcolm is really showing me how he's creating this stuff.
And it personalizes you. It personalizes you. Exactly.
You become more than just a loan officer. You become a person. I like that. You become personalized. All right. Number 5, which is Jachelle's favorite thing.
Oh, by the way.
I like that. Oh, by the way. This is perfect for your follow-ups. So when you talk to a client or you just did an event, like as I told you, we do weekly, not weekly, but monthly events, or every 2 months we do an event for our client, just saying thank you and stuff like that. This is a perfect follow-up. You
seasonal.
Call them and you say, oh, by the way, if you know anyone who's looking for another loan officer, don't forget about me. Mm-hmm. This is like the perfect follow-up so you can remind them what you do and why you're doing this. Yes, we do love giving back to our clients. We do love saying thank you, but you need them to give us more referrals. So you want to keep them, you want to keep you in the back of their mind.
Exactly. I
almost had a tongue twister.
It's okay, I'm here. If your clients, if you don't keep in contact with your clients, they're gonna forget about you. Out of sight, out of mind. So 100%. You have to make sure you stay relevant.
So that's why we send out our weekly emails once a week. Jachelle sends insurance stuff. I send mortgage ones. And I also talk about a little bit about flipping in it because you know that's what I like doing. If you're not signed up yet, make sure you click the link in my bio. And boom, you can join my email list and you can see the emails that I'm sending out. You can also see what events I'm planning. You get a lot of stuff in this email. It's jam-packed with real information and it's really good. Like I have a lot of clients tell me, thank you, Malcolm, it's good. I learned this, I learned that. And you make it fun at the same time. I always add a joke in mine and you want to make sure it's good enough for them to keep coming back and want to remember you. Like, oh, let me read the new Marcelle Minute. I didn't see it yet. So that's what's going on. And like I say, close by asking for a referral. Even if you start the conversation with something else, make sure you close and ask for that referral. Because if you don't ask for it, you won't get it. You receive what you ask for. In the last video,
closed mouths don't get fed.
They don't. This is an IV though.
Oh gosh.
In the last video that we posted, I told you guys about it before, that you need to know when to ask for help. And this is the same thing here. Asking for referrals is pretty much asking for help. Asking your clients on what they can do to help you. And that's by giving you more business so your business can flourish. Because if they give you a referral and you do good by that referral will give you more referrals. Now you have 2 people giving you referrals and that's how it grows. Mm-hmm. Lastly, number 6.
Client care video.
Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Malcolm, what is a client care? My clients know I care about them. I'm helping them with the file. I'm doing everything I can. No. You want to still send them a video randomly and just let them know you're checking in. Hey, how are you doing? You're checking on them. You're not asking about a referral. You're not asking about a mortgage. You just want them to know that, yes, I know you're a person. I know COVID's going on. I know a holiday's going on. I know you might be stressed right now. Is there anything I can do to help you? Is there anything I can do in my network to help you? And a lot of times they'll be like, no, Malcolm, I'm just glad you're checking in on me. It's like, wow, they're lost for words because a lot of people don't do this. A lot of business owners don't do this. A lot of MLOs definitely don't do this. But if you're doing this, you're showing the client that you care about them. It makes them feel like a person and not just a business deal, or you're doing this for the money. It makes a big difference. Check in on your clients. It's simple. And 2, always provide value. So you're checking in on them, and then you're gonna provide them something with value. Whether it's your time, whether it's a referral. If they say, yeah, Malcolm, you know what, I need a babysitter. Go in your database, see if you know any babysitters. Maybe one of your other clients is a babysitter, or their daughter's a babysitter, and then you call them back like, hey, you know, I remember last time we talked, you mentioned you needed a babysitter. Here you go. Here's this person that I've done business with. I believe there'll be a good referral for you to talk to and see how you guys can do business together. That's it.
Or just provide answers to their questions.
Exactly. And you don't know how much it means to someone when they have they need help and you respond. It means the world, right, Giselle?
Yes, it does.
The same way when you ask for help, when you ask for a referral, you're happy when they give you one. Give them that same service back to them.
You have to be willing to give, not just receive.
Exactly. And that's what we're teaching you guys. Teaching you guys. We're teaching you guys how to make a 6-figure business, how to make it sustainable, and how to create
long-lasting wealth.
I was going to say generational wealth, but you read my mind. Yo. Oh, okay. Guys, thank you so much, Hustle Tribe. I appreciate you. Thank you for all the support. Please click the link in my bio if you want to connect 101. And if you just want to join my email blast campaign, feel free to click the link in my bio. This is the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, aka the 7-figure loan officer. Woo!
Okay, Hustle Tribe.
And
out.